phakathi komoya nomhlaba izinyawo zami ithilo kungabonwa izwe lithule likhuluma ngaphakathi izinkanyezi ziphala amagama ebusuku ezikhathini ezingakaze ziphele umoya wami uyazilenga ngoba wake waba lapha ngaphambili ibizwa umhlaba womoya lapho isikhathi singaphefumuli lapho imiphefumulo ikhanya khona njengomlilo ongashisi ibizwa umhlaba womoya lapho iqiniso lingafihliwe lapho ukuthi ngingubani ngaphambi kokuba ngibe inyama izinyanya zikhuluma ngomoya opholile ephushede lingafuni ukunyamalala sithi phila kodwa ulalele noba umsabu izifolo izinyembezi zigubhuka sidivula iwasha izinkumbulo zindala iyafala amane insuku zonke ukuze umoya wami uvuke ibiza umhlaba womoya lapho isikhathi singaphefumuli lapho imiphefumulo ikhanya khona njengomlilo ongashisi ibiza umhlaba womoya lapho isikhathi singaphefumuli lapho imiphefumulo ikhanya khona njengomlilo ongashisi ibiza umhlaba
Can even watch it.
ibiza
Like,
umhlaba
look, this is how I can do one. Okay, then. I'm out. Going this place. And there.
Oh, guys, no, I'm gonna take these jeans and they're not stretchy. I love the fact that they're not stretchy and I'm wearing so strong on them. Yay, look it. So Rashota Kuluzamo. Mara, we are coming already.
Guys, welcome to my channel. It's
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, and if you're existing, thank you guys so much for tuning in. So if you're joining this channel for the very first time and you're wondering what is this channel all about, it's about food, which is cooking and homemaking and life in my 40s, so and fitness and wellness. So we are there already, guys. We are looking after our health, we are recovering from our spine and hip injury. So yeah, that's the channel short description of what we do. So yeah, and if you are new here, What we do on this channel, we do not skip ads. We watch the video until the end. We share the channel with our friends, our family, and yeah, we enjoy watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and then click on notification bell and select notification for all, so you can be able to be notified when I drop a new video. And if you don't know when do we drop every Tuesday. So you guys, I wanted to do some unboxing. I know I have been busy already, but I haven't opened up the vlog, and today it's a Saturday, so we went to the mall. We actually we went to School and Leisure to get Kanso's track pants, the bottom of it, right? Because this girl is growing taller every year, guys. Imagine, you know, it's June, we're buying uniform again. Like, really? The good thing is that I get half a lot of sheila. So yeah, let's unbox. Let me show you what I bought. I got something from Poetry for moi. I always utilize the special poetry, guys. The 40%, the 20%. So right now I bought this Cadillac jersey and a gin, and the jersey was on 40%. Guys, let me unbox with you. I'm very proud of myself, guys. I am from size 16 of a stretch jean, ne? 16, guys. Lampana ki mukhutswane jwang. Na ka size 16, between 14 and 16, and then it's going to be a stretchy jean, ne? Kana le di bitsa di jean tse stretchan kilbetso kidi, ne? Whatever the term is, I forgot. So right now I found the jean that fits like mommy's jean. Perfect. And we are on size 12, and it doesn't stretch. Size 10 years in, so it's a hangyan, just like this, more just on the lower belly. So we need to work on this. But I love the fact that when I'm wearing it, it's very comfortable. I think I took a video while I was busy in the changing room. I'll insert it somewhere. These are the jeans, because the jeans they are stretchy, and now they are very loose. Now you can see what it's not make sure. And then this size 12. I love it. I love it for myself. So the jeans were not on special. It's 1,000 rand, and this is the jersey. Love it. And I took it size small, and then the jersey was around 899, and I got a 40% discount as we clock it. I am so happy, guys. Yo, this is showing that I must not stop. I must continue pushing until we go back to the sizes that we wish for. And then let's unbox the woolly stuff. Mostly it's top up for school lunch boxes and what we needed. I think what we needed is this, literally, because it's for everyone. It's nice because it's game night. And then obviously Kanso doesn't like yogurt, guys, but this one's, I think it's this sweet thing that's making her want more of these things. So I bought for the whole week, because it's 3 for 64 rand. So I bought 6 for the whole week, and chicken livers, more protein K for me, yogurt, and then Kaone wanted a break from these ones, and then he wanted this drinking yogurts. Great, their favorite new, they were on special. It's 2 for 140. Yeah, and then come again, some bananas, lemon gold, my favorite nectarines. This goes in here. Yeah, that's literally what we bought. Go Woolworths. Plus biltong. This is the thing, and then the cornflakes. So yeah, and I'm gonna unbox things that I bought from Take a Lot, and then we can close today's vlog of Kanjani.